Hey everyone, this is Or from Cushioms, and in today's video I want to show you our brand new side plates which complete the mod kit for our BlackShark V3 Pro. If you haven't seen our Earpads, I'll also show them in the video today. So let's start the video. Okay, let's start now. I'm going to show you how to replace the Earpads in the later part. I already made a video on that if you want to skip to that. What I am going to show you is our side plates. I don't know if you knew, but the side plates on the BlackShark V3 Pro are removable. You simply can remove them from the bottom. They're magnetized, and we are going to come out with a bunch of design options. Now, unfortunately, I only have the black with me now, but we will obviously have a matching one for the green color that we came out, a matching one for the red color that I have on, and we'll have a couple of more patterns that will look cool. But basically, same, you are simply going to make sure to use the right side. So by the way, if you put it upside down, the magnets will push each other, okay? So don't get freaked out. You simply have to flip it and then it will magnetize, all right? And obviously, the one side is, the slider side is unique. You have a little hole in the side plates for it, and that's it. How to replace the Earpad? First of all, to remove it, you're simply going to hold it from here and pull it out. Now, I obviously pull it out quite aggressively. I don't recommend that you do it exactly like that. You do it from several angles until it easily comes out. But this is a dummy headset for me, and I can do whatever I want with it. So I don't recommend that you do it. But to install it back, before I show you how to install, the Earpads are interchangeable. They're also interchangeable upside down. It means it doesn't matter if you install this one on the left or on the right, and it doesn't matter if you install it like that or if you flip it and install it like that. It's all the same. You have two dowels right here on the back side of the Earpad. You have two alignment holes on the cup. And then you're simply going to align and push the Earpad. And that is it. And that is it for today's video, everyone. I really hope that it was helpful. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to contact us. Our contact information is in the description below. If you like this video, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this every month. I will see you in the next one. Meanwhile, stay wicked, my friends.